दीवाना हुआ है ये दिल आपके प्यार में।
You all want to say something? I think you should talk about your connects and let's get that out of the way only. The big screen off, just say it all.
Zabardasti. No, but I really want to say that I truly believe that sometimes, you know, when you meet some people, you really connect with them much more than you connect with the others. You tend to have long conversations without even knowing each other. So that unexplainable connect, that rabta, which can be with anyone, is something that I truly connected with. And I remember meeting, so whenever I've met Dinu, I've usually met him for some other film and he's narrated me some other film. And that's what happened. I had met him for something else where he started narrating me Rapta unknowingly when he was not even sure whether he was making it or not. And he just loved that story. And I went back home and after like, it stayed with me for 2 days and I just messaged him that, listen, that story that you told me in that meeting, why aren't you making that? I really want to do that. And then he called me back again and I met Sushant for the first time. And he was like this surprise in that meeting because I didn't know he was coming. And no, I didn't know. And we did this scene which, you know, usually when you're meeting someone for the first time, in one go or two go, you're still saying your lines and all. But in the third take, I think something happened where we started completing each other's lines. And I felt there, it sort of came a little alive. And I really feel that I was meant to be a part of Rapta. And I had already this some Rapta with Rapta.
I remember meeting Dino, I think it was 2.5 years back, and I'm a selfish actor, so I just think about if I have to invest 6-7 months of my life, the script needs to be, I mean, like it should excite me to great level. And I remember that meeting when we were discussing films, we discussed around four films, 4 scripts, and this was a film that he was not offering me. And it's kind of, it got stuck, and I read the script. I could not let it out of my head, although there are things in the film that personally I don't believe in, but the script was so well written and the way Dinu narrated, I wanted to believe in all those things. So yeah, so if you, great time reading the script, building the character, and then experiencing shooting the film. And I hope you guys, when you watch the film, have the same wonderful experience. Thank you.
So this film would be incomplete without, I think I have some sort of connection. My godfather is Parsi, a good friend of mine is Parsi, and this, he's Parsi and he knows it. And I think he has made me explore my own dark side that I didn't know. Ladies and gentlemen, Zach as Jim Saab. Say something.
Say things. Yeah, hey, wait, why am I not on the poster?
You're special. We've discussed this. We had to hide you.
I'm the hidden secret. Y'all didn't notice me in the trailer. No, I understand. I don't know.
You can wait.
I went in, I did an audition. I don't think I did it the way it was written. I did it a bit weird, you know, which I think actually was how it was written, but that wasn't the brief we were getting. I don't know exactly what the deal was.
Making a lot of sense.
I was doing some things, and then I guess they liked it, so now I'm in the film.
Okay, I'd like to introduce, so I found a new partner during this film in terms of who has the same passion for music. The advantage was with this time I was directing, so I needed support, and these two gentlemen really supported me. One for any crazy thing I want. The other guy was, when he first directed, it was I was a first-time producer. It's it's strange that this time he's a first-time producer and I'm a first-time director. My really good friend and Maddox's new producer, Homia Dajania and Bhushan Kumar.
Why am I not on the poster?
The stage is a little small.
Your name is there. We are very excited at T-Series to produce this film. And as Dino rightly said, our passion is same. Means he loves music. I've done his music.